Let's discuss closures in JavaScript. So, closures are basically defined as a function along with its lexical scope is a closure. So, let's see it with an example. I have created a function outer. It has a variable a, which I have initialized to the value 10, and a function inner inside which I am printing the value of a, and then I am returning this inner function to this outer function. So ideally within within the scope of outer, we have the inner function, and the inner function can access the value of a from its parent function, that is outer. So basically inner is in the scope of the outer function. Now when we try to call this function from outside, that is I have called outer function from outside and stored the return value in a variable named result, and this result will contain the inner function when it is returned. And when I try to log this value, when I try to basically now um, run this or call this result, basically this result contains the inner function and then I am calling this as a function call, then I can access the variable a from here. So it's basically when I am returning inner function from another function, from an outer function, and then I am storing the value in another variable, I am able to retain access to the variable data and function, to the data of its like earlier lexical scope in which it was. So this is the concept of closures. So when I'm returning this inner function, this inner function is returned along with its lexical scope, and hence I am able to access the value of a outside. Let's just try to run this first. uh, yeah, so I am able to access 10 from outside. So this is how, but if I try to log this variable a from outside, I won't be able to do that. See, yeah, see, it gives me a reference error, a is not defined, but I can do this using closures. So this is the concept of closures.